All right, we are about to get started here. We're going to start off with some questions. Your assignment is already ready to go, so you should see that. And it comes with videos, so I'm not going to make a lot of videos on how to do your assignment. And you can work on your assignment and do the questions unlimited times, and there's helps and videos, and there's worked out solutions. So I'm going to let you do most of that on your own. If there's a question that you can't get done, just email me or Google Classroom, and then we will have a follow-up video, because I'm just assuming we're going to be out for a while. And so we're going to probably end up taking our test Monday. The proof portion will have to wait. We will just do the non-proof portion. So we'll learn our last bit today. Friday we'll do the review sheet, the non-proof portion anyways, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to start with some questions here. And I had a question on, let's see if we can get it in focus. On your last book assignment here, 5 and 6. And so decide whether enough information to prove that the triangles are congruent using the HL congruence theorem. So yes, on number 5, there is enough information because it gives you the right angle, which makes them right triangles, and then it has a leg, and the 2 line is a hypotenuse. So that's fine. 6 is no. Yes, those triangles are congruent, but they're congruent by the SAS theorem, not HL, because right here, RS is the hypotenuse and PQ is the hypotenuse, and we don't know anything about that. So that's the answer to that question. All right, anyways, on this last thing that we're doing, it's 5.4. There's just a couple theorems. We're not going to do any proofs with these. These are more algebraic answers. Okay, and so when you're taking notes on this, and yes, I want you to take notes on your own, we are going to draw this shape right here. Vertex angle, we need the base angles, the leg, and the base. Okay, make sure you know what those are. And then we're going to look at the base angle theorem. And I'm going to kind of go over these a little bit. This is on page 228. So 228 is where you're going to find that in your virtual book here. And so I'm going to kind of go over what these are. So that they have the base angle theorem and the converse of the base angle. Also, we're going to have corollaries that deal with equilateral triangles right here. And that's on the next page. Of course, you don't have to look up the page. You can pause the video and you can get the information. So I want you to write down in your notes the theorems and, of course, this image right here, so you know what's going on. All right, so like I said earlier, your assignment is in your online book, and so it will automatically grade it and all that stuff for you, and you get unlimited tries, so everybody should get a 100 on it. So I just want to basically go over this very, very shortly. So the base angle theorem for a isosceles triangle. So we know on an isosceles triangle, basically, isosceles means that 2 sides are congruent. So if those 2 sides are congruent, then the base angles are also congruent, and it works both ways. So just basically, if you know that this side is 8, then this side is 8. Okay, so even if we have, like, if this angle is 2x plus 6, and this angle is 30 degrees, we know to do 30 equals 2x plus 6. So that's basically what it is on the base angle. And on the equilateral triangle, one thing just to note is equilateral triangle, of course, is equal, 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 equal. But all angles equal 60 degrees always on a equilateral triangle. So yeah, that's basically it. There's a couple of you that still haven't signed on for the online book, and so that is still in your Google Classroom. The title of the instructions is 1/8, so January 8th, but it's 1/8, Distance Learning. And so the directions are there. In order for you to get your assignment, you have to sign up for that. So do that and email me if you have any problems. Other than that, I'm going to let you kind of do this and expect a review tomorrow, and I'll produce a video that will go over your review so you will be ready for your test. And in 2021, it will be Monday. So if you're watching this at a later date, probably it's not as useful. All right, bye.